Assalamu alaikum everyone, my name is Zain or Hamid and welcome to another video. This is the lecture 4 of C++ in which we will learn about the if, nested if, short if, else, if. If is the conditional statement. In the if the given statement become true, the body of the if will be executed, and if the statement becomes false, the control will move towards the next statement after the body of the if. So the syntax is down below. If carried out with the brackets, and in brackets we have the conditions, and after that we have the curly brackets in which is the body of the if statement. If you don't want to put the curly brackets, so the compiler will read the body to the next line only. If you have the multiple lines as per requirements, so you have to put the parenthesis, which will be considered as the body of the if statement according to the compiler. So what is the if statement? If statement is the conditional statement. The condition becomes true, the body of the if statement will be executed. If it's not true, if it's become false, so the control will move on to the next statement after. So the next thing is the nested if. So what is the nested if? Nested if is something like if within the if. For example, my dad puts the condition in front of me that if I got through to the examination, so I will be given a grade. It's a single grade. So if I scored above than 80% or above than 3.2 GPA, so I will be given, for example, iPhone X. So this is the nested if. As we move on to the next, we have the short if statement. So in the short if statements, if is summarized into some more smaller condition. So in the short if is the smallest form of the complete if, and the most important part of this short if, and it's take advantages to the simple if statement by having the option to perform an operation after having the false result of the condition. In the if statement, if the condition become false, so we do not have anything else to do, so the control will be moved on to the next statement. So in the short if we also covers but if not. So as far as the syntax, it will start with the brackets, and brackets, in the brackets we will have the condition, and after that the question mark sign, and again with the brackets, and we will have the true. If the condition becomes true, so the executed lines will be written into first brackets, and then after the colon the lines will be written if the condition becomes false. Moving on to the next, we have the if else statement. Same as the short if statement, if else statements also provides the length and the facility to code after having the false result. For example, if the condition becomes false, so we have the option to also code. For example, I give you the example of, again, with my dad. If I got a good marks and good GPA in my university, so I will be given a grade. So if I failed, you can know. If you are Pakistani, you can know what happened next. So it is on the lighter mood. Don't take it seriously. My dad is pretty cool. He never did anything like this. I'm just giving you the example, and I know my dad will never watch this video because he doesn't have anything to do with the C++. So if you are watching this video, so you're the best dad of the world. Getting back on to the topic, so we can also mark the condition. After the if statement, the body of the if statement, we have the else statement, and then the body of the else statement. If the condition become false, if the body of the if will be executed, or if the condition becomes false, the condition of if become false, the else body of else will be executed. So this is our C++. Let's get marks, and we use the cout, and so in this in the cout statement I have wrote directly with marks of the student, and followed by the cin statement, which will get the marks from the user and store it into the marks variable, integer variable. So now the if condition, if followed by the brackets and greater than or equal to 80. \n, which will move this line to the new line. So I will enter well done. You scored A plus. So let's run this program. In this program, what I did, I just wrote the cout statement, and it will be carried out like please enter the marks of your students, and after that I have this cin statement, which will get the marks from the user and store it in the marks variable. So after that I have placed the if statement, and in if statement the condition is like if marks is greater than or equal to 80. So if the condition will come true, the control will be get down to the body of the if statement, and the body contains the cout statement, which carried out as the well done, you have scored A plus. So let's run this program. Zero errors. Compiler has given me the green signal to run these programs. So let's run this. Now it asks me about the marks of a student. For example, I have written the 87. I'll press enter, and it will display the message of well done, you scored A plus. So now there is a problem with this. Now there is a problem with this. If I enter marks less than 80, for example, I have written 23, so there will be nothing. There will be nothing, and the condition and the control will move on to the next statement, which is return 0, and the program will be executed. So to cover up this, we have the else statement. Else statement is like else and followed by parenthesis, if you like or not, and we will have the cout statement, which will display the message of now let's run the program. If I do the 89, it will display as the well done, you scored A plus, and if I enter the value below 80, which is 67, so it will be displaying where is it, here it is. So it will be displaying luck for the next time. Same way we will use the, let's make it with the small if statement. So here's the statement. For example, marks is greater than equal to 80, followed by the question mark, another brackets, and in which we will just copy pasting. It is 1 AM in this part of the world, and I am making tutorials for you guys, so you should be feel lucky to have someone like me. So we will delete all of this. So this will be your statement. So let's give a try. Just a little errors, I am not the 100%, so let's done. It's asking me to the marks. I have entered 87. Well done, you have scored 8 plus. Same way, I think it doesn't show to you guys, so let's do it again. This is the screen. I'm in, for example, giving the value of 34, and it will be displayed like good luck for the next time. So if I do it again and place the value above 80, so the value of 89, so it will be displayed well done, you have scored A plus. So in this lecture what we have learned about the statement, if else statement and short if statement. So if you have any question, and this is only for the YouTube viewers, as far as the course going on, you can ask me on to the Facebook group and we will have the nice discussion over there. So as far as all of the YouTube viewers, if you have any question regarding anything of the C++ and the programming concepts, you can ask me down in the comment section below. So as far as this time, that's all, and stay blessed.
But I'm scared to die. And if life is pain, then I buried mine a long time ago, but it's still alive, and it's taking over me. Where am I?